Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Microsoft Bookings and Outlook integration. So first thing, before we integrate the two, we are going to create a meeting for now. So go ahead and open your Microsoft account. Okay, so right here, and then just have to click on this icon at the top left side of your screen, and you would be able to see here the different application that you can use. Of course, you just have to click on the Bookings app. So when you click on this one, you'd be directed to this page. So let me just click on it again. So another tab will open and you'd be directed to your dashboard. So what you're going to do here is we are going to create a meeting type. Okay, so you can also create a booking page, but for this one, I am going to create a meeting type. So just simply click on this plus create a meeting type. Okay, and then this page will open. Now just have to add a title to your new meeting type. Okay, so for example, I will be naming this one as important meeting, or maybe emergency meeting will do. Okay, so let me just type it out over here, and then if you would like to add a category for this one, just click on the category and I will be selecting the red category. And then you can also add here notes. So for example, book time to connect with me. Okay, and then if you would like to add a location, so you just have to click on the location and allow this browser to locate you. And then for the time or the duration of this meeting, I think 30 minutes would do. And then I'm going to select public. And if you would like to select private, so you just have to click on it. Now, if you would like to append your personal booking page in your email signature, you just have to click on this checked icon. And if you would like to customize your schedule, so just click on this one over here, so you can use your available hours or use custom available hours over here. And then if you would like to only during the following date range, so for example, today is June 29, so we'll be starting tomorrow, June 30. And then since this is an emergency meeting, so it will end tomorrow as well. Okay, and then if you would like to add specific hours or time, then just have to click on this one. Okay, so I'm just going to select use my regular meeting hours, and after that, just have to simply click on the save icon at the top right hand corner of the screen. Then once done, as you can see, we have successfully created our new meeting type. So you just have to make sure that all are set, so you can proceed to the integration process. Okay, so let me just check everything over here. Now, what I'm suggesting is you open your Microsoft Store and we are going to download the Outlook application. Okay, so later on, I will tell you the reason why we have to download the application instead of using the web version of the Outlook. Okay, so let me just use the search bar at the top, and then you just have to type out Outlook and you'd be able to see this different applications. So of course, you just have to select this first application over here. So when you click on this one, you would be able to see an option where you can get this application, or to simply click on the install button. So since I already downloaded this one, I can only see open for now. Okay, so once you have downloaded this application to your computer, so you just have to simply click on open, and of course you have to log in to your Microsoft account. So let me just click on open. Okay, and then let me just switch this to full screen. And what you're going to do here is to simply click on the calendar icon. So this one at the left side of your screen. Okay, so right here, you'd be able to see the different options. So let me just click on the calendar. So when you click on the calendar option, you'd be able to see here all of your schedules and of course the meeting that you have added to Outlook. Okay, so now let's click on this add calendar option. Okay, that's right. And then you have to go to the recommended, and then just have to add from directory. So search the people directory and see your team's availability on your calendar. So just click on this add from directory. And then just have to select an account to search from. So I'll be using my email, and then you just have to enter a name or email address over here. So let me just type out right here, emergency meeting. Okay, so just make sure that all the spellings are correct so that you'd be able to find here the calendar that we have created using the Microsoft Bookings. So let me just tap it out again. So as you can see, we found the meeting type that we have created. Now you just have to click on the add button. Okay, so just simply click on this add button over here, and now added emergency meetings calendars. You just have to close this one, and over here you just have to check this meeting type or this calendar, and you would be able to see here all of your schedules. So we have successfully integrate Outlook and the Microsoft Bookings. So the reason why we have to use the application version of the Outlook, it is because when we are going to use the web browser, we cannot really guarantee that we can add calendar over here. Okay, so that was before, and I think it will not going to function to all of the accounts on Microsoft. So if you cannot do that using the web version of the Outlook, so you just have to download the application first. Okay, so let me just check if this one is going to work using the web version. Okay, so let me just go to the calendar and then click on the add calendar. Okay, so right here you can add personal calendar, so you just have to go to the add from directory option. Okay, so this option right here at the left side of our screen. So add from directory, and then you just have to select your email, and then you just have to enter right here the name of your meeting. So for example, this one over here, and then just click on add. So as you can see, my application and my web version of the Outlook are both working. So if you cannot access the calendar, if you cannot add your calendars to Outlook using the web version, so I suggest you just have to download the application from Microsoft Store, and then you just have to log into your account, and then you can now start integrating the Microsoft Bookings to your Outlook. So you just have to do the same, okay? So just make sure that you get the updated version of the apps. As you can see over here, I forgot to update my Outlook, so it's still working, but of course we have to update all of our application to get all of the updated features of the app. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.